Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sync Obsidian with OneDrive. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, navigate to your Windows desktop and open your Obsidian app. This will launch your main workspace where you'll be able to access all the settings and features you need for the sync process. Once your Obsidian app has opened, direct your attention to the bottom left part of your Obsidian dashboard. You'll notice a gear icon there. Go ahead and click on it to open your settings menu. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for customizing your Obsidian experience and adding new functionality through plugins. Now take a look at the left-hand panel of your settings menu. You'll see several settings options listed here. From this list, locate and click on Community Plugins. This section is essential because it gives you access to a wide range of third-party plugins that extend Obsidian's capabilities beyond its core features. Within the Community Plugins section, you'll see a Browse button. Click on it and a new window will open displaying all the available plugins you can use and integrate with your Obsidian app. There are hundreds of plugins available, so to make things easier, you'll want to use the search functionality. Look for the search bar at the top of the plugins window and type in OneDrive. This will filter the results and show you only the relevant plugins. From the search results, click on OneDrive Sync. This plugin is specifically designed to create a seamless connection between your Obsidian Vault and your OneDrive cloud storage. You'll now be directed to the OneDrive Sync overview page, where you can read more about what the plugin does and how it works. From here, you'll see an Install button. Go ahead and click on Install to begin downloading the plugin to your Obsidian app. The installation process should only take a few seconds depending on your internet connection. Once the installation process finishes, you'll see an Enable button appear. Click on Enable to activate the plugin and make it functional within your Obsidian workspace. After enabling the plugin, click on Options to access the configuration settings. Within the Options menu, you'll see a button labeled Connect to OneDrive. Click on it and a sign-in window will appear prompting you to authenticate your OneDrive account. Simply sign in with your OneDrive credentials to complete the sync process between Obsidian and OneDrive. Once you've signed in, the plugin will establish the connection and your Obsidian notes will begin syncing with your OneDrive cloud storage automatically. And that's it. You've successfully synced your Obsidian Vault with OneDrive, which means your notes will now be backed up to the cloud and accessible across multiple devices. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.